Yellow, my good friends, welcome back to Pinch's class. I have come back with another sound, and today we are going to look at sound woo. Now, sound woo comes from letter W. Yes, sound woo comes from letter W. Yes. Now let's look at the blends. We have wa, way, war, we, why, wo, wow, wa, and woo. Yes. Now let's go to the word formation. Yes, the word formation. Remember, some sounds are silent in some words. Yes, I have to remind you. So the first one is well. Yes, well. And then the next one is a wall. Yes, the wall which we use to make a house. And then the next one is waste, and the last sound is silent. Waste. Yes, waste. And then the last word is walked. Then the next sound is silent. Then walked. Water. Yes, water. Let's go to the sentences. The sentences we have: we get water from the well. We get water from the well. Then the next one: do not waste food. Do not waste food. It's not actually good to waste food. Yes, because some people don't get food. So if you waste, God will not be happy with you. Then the last sound, let's go to the last sentence. There is a window on the wall. There is a window on the wall. Yes, there is a window on the wall. And that's it for sound woo. We hope to see you in our next video, and for now we're saying bye.